Did you know Bob Batty and Cute were here?
So cute.
Yes, because they say cute words like molang
And they're
and
talking
pew pew
human. They're talking human words.
is called
Molang.
molang.
Molang is talking human words.
Yes, you're right. Because the molang is also the pew pew and more to do this like you to explain they say cute words when like you like I think what all the kekos are also amazing and also cute like this. They say molang when big like he had size than what he was here before. They're not actually here anymore. When is the molang no? He'll be here in my house. Like I'm building my shop. When you do things, everything you want, like you and more, and think what all this neighborhood of idols they're actually be here because they should be. Because they are so good or kind and be responsible to them. And they do things everything I want. And this is my tag of all the kekos because when I put there to sleep, I so happy because all the kekos will be married to them. Because we're making pets for the exam shop of Jacob and Matthew's house, and they will be back to, and they will destroy them. Then they turn to all the trees of Macdo. Because all the pencil for the exam shops are here. But they're actually the boss of Destroyer. Never seen the Jacob and Matthew old house again because they turned into a cave. Oh no. Because all the people will turn into a McDo because this is not our house. And they turn into a Jollibee because this gonna be a SM Super Mall. We had a SM City Alegan. This gonna be SM Mall of Iligan.
And it's going. Our house is going to turn into Jollibee.
What should we do? But this is gonna be an SM Mall of Iligan. And they think what my mind is true. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.